Hello, welcome to our tutorial on the tabs element on Dotcom. Are your website visitors finding hardships in navigating across your website? Having different sections of a block displayed in tabs can ensure streamlined user navigation and allow the visitors to grasp the content better. Go to the desired theme page and click Elements. Drag and drop the tabs element to the design canvas. Hover over the element to edit the tabs element, container column, and container row. 1. Tabs element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Here, you can add new tabs and edit the existing tabs. Click Add Tabs button. A new tab is added similar to the existing ones. Hover over it and click Edit. Here, you can add the content for the heading and paragraph sections of the tab. Along with this, you can customize the style format of the content with the customization tools. Next, you can customize the position of the tabs as horizontal or vertical. Finally, adjust the alignment of the tabs element as right-aligned, center-aligned, or left-aligned. Now that the content is ready, let's adjust the style of the element. Switch to the Style tab. Start with adjusting the value of the border width. Next, choose a suitable color for the border and its background. You can either choose from the global colors or the color picker tool. Next, adjust the color of the title. Followed by that, configure the typography from the global fonts or custom fonts. Now, adjust the values of the text shadow and text stroke. Likewise, configure the color, typography, text shadow, and text stroke of the content section. Now, switch to the last tab, Advanced. First, expand the Advanced section. Here, you can configure the margin, padding, and width of the tabs for different screen types. Next, expand the Background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters of the tabs element in normal mode and the hover effect. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes separately. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the element on different screen types. 2. Container column. Click Edit. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust column parameters like width, gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click Edit. You can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can adjust the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you design your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.